Hey guys, welcome to Profit Minds. It's our new digital platform where we help you learn more about the stock market. If you are new to this channel, I have shared the links of our previous videos in the description. Please do check those if you haven't. The share market is an incredibly vast and complex field, so in order to ensure we cover all the important concepts to help you learn and earn in the share market, we will introduce 5 informative series that will cover each aspect in depth. We hope to make these series informative and fun by introducing interesting facts and tidbits in each video. Traders Zero to Hero. In this series, we are going to discuss in detail all the necessary topics that will drive you to become a successful trader or investor. This series will help you to understand the trading concepts in depth with practical examples and real-life anecdotes. We hope this will be a perfect guide for all those who are new to the share market and for those who want to shine as an investor in this field. Without further ado, let's start with today's video. We humans are obsessed with the future, especially when it comes to finance and money making. We all must have dreamt of earning more and leading a stress-free life in our future. Well, I dream about it almost every day. How great would it be? Retiring from office at a young age, traveling to all the beautiful places in the world of your dreams with family. This will happen only if you are financially strong. You may ask me, with a minimum monthly income, how can I dream of being financially strong? Can I invest with the salary that I have? My reply would be yes, you can. If you rotate your monthly savings in a proper investment scheme or method, you can maximize the chances of your dreams to materialize. In a simpler term, learn to make profit from the money you invest. What is investment? Simply put, investment is putting your money somewhere where there is a promise of profit. If you buy something that is going to become more expensive in the future and then sell it when its price has increased, you sell it for more than you bought it for, and you earn profit on this transaction. This is why people buy gold. This is just one of the ways. There are many ways or methods by which you can invest your savings. I would like to introduce the share market as one of the most important and standard investment methods. Share market requires some basic knowledge and techniques unlike other investment methods. In the share market, you cannot earn without learning. Let me explain to you why. Investment in the share market has its own risks, and without having much knowledge of how to manage those risks, you cannot sustain in this field. Whatever we are going to discuss in our channel will definitely help you in your trading. So if you are ready to learn, we are ready to guide. First, let me tell you the advantage of being an investor in the share market. Control over the money. By investing in the share market, you will have more control over your money. So what is that control? Let me explain with an incident. A survey was taken by an organization by choosing a few random people and asking them a question. The question was, if you get 1000 rupee as a reward, what would you do? With a disclaimer that you are not supposed to give that money or buy gifts to anyone with that reward. The collective response was, going for outings, having food, buying clothes, gadgets, etc. But the response from 2% of people were totally different, which is investing in some stocks. The reason why I shared this incident is that if you are an investor, you will know how to take control over that money you have. There is a difference between spending and investing. If you have decided to spend, then you will have no control over the money, and hence you lose it intentionally to enjoy for a while. On the other hand, If you have decided to invest your money somewhere, you have the control over your invested money. By a proper investment, you can have a long-term benefit. Planning. When it comes to planning, investors are pioneers in that. They know where, when and why to invest in a stock. Economic updates. Generally, the investors or traders will update themselves with all the economic and business news either in a stock or even in the country. Interesting, right? Share market will open up plenty of new financial topics you can learn and benefit from in your day-to-day life as well. In this series, we will cover each concept in detail, and with each video, your knowledge and capability to make better financial decisions will increase. So, keep an eye out for new videos, especially the one up next, which is about investor in share market. In every video, we will be sharing a trivia, which also holds its own significance. So what's the trivia for the day? Share market is also a profession just like IT, banking, medical, civil and other known professions. Hence, share market also has its working hours for a day. Share markets operate nearly 21 hours a day all across the world. Japan share market, Tokyo Stock Exchange, starts at 5:30 a.m. IST, and Canadian share market, Canada Stock Exchange, closes at 2:30 a.m. IST. The Indian share market starts at 9 a.m. and closes at 3:30 p.m. with a market duration of 6:30 hours. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please support me by subscribing to my channel and do leave a like, and feel free to drop your queries or suggestions in the comments section below. If you feel the content is good, please do consider sharing it with your friends. We'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, signing off from Profit Minds.